Hi, this is Daryl from Fast Forward Dance Studio. We are situated in Bombay, and I'd like to share a few basic steps in Jive. Now, these steps are unlike the usual Jive steps, which has a 6 count. So we're going to do a straight 4 count Jive step. So I'll just explain to you the basic step of Jive with a 4 count Jive. So it's a straight side step, 1, 2, push my body back, 4. So this is the basic step you can do with your partner. 2, both move back, tap, 1, 2, back, tap. Then you can move her to a direction, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what happens, you can lead your partner to a direction and always it will be towards the left. And for the ladies it will be to the right. So whatever movement that you are doing will be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll lead her to my left so that she goes 7, 8. Now what I do is I interchange 9, 10, 11, tap. Start from again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I walk back 11, 12. Back again 1. Now after I do the basic step, I can also do a sort of a jive, shuffle. So when I go 2, 3, 4, 5, push my body back, tap, 9, push my body back and bring her in and move her back. So it's just a shuffle forward, back, and then back again to the basic step where I lead her here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, shuffle in, back, back. Now we can do other combinations using the same 12 counts. So I'll show you the other combinations. Now once we are into the jive, into the shuffle, with an open hand, this is a ballroom position, so keep this in mind. So this is your ballroom position, this is your open position. So from here I will do a basic step where you go 1, 2, 3, 4. I can continue the step. Now whenever I am leading my step out, my partner out, I'll go 5, 6, 7, 8 and bring her in 9, 10, 11, 12. So the same step that we did earlier, I'm duplicating the step but using this hand, open hand. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and then I go back to my basic step. The other combination on the same step is like a hammer lock. So I call this the hammer lock position because I'm doing the hammer lock along with the basic step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 again, 1, 2. Now when I'm leading my partner and this will go up and this will move down. I'll show it to you again. So it goes 1, 2, 3. I lead my partner on 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Back to the basic again. So I'll show it to you from this position. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and back again 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us know in the comments below how you enjoyed these dance steps and keep looking out for more dance steps later.